In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Slime Rancher 2 on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Slime Rancher 2 is available on many different platforms, including on Xbox. However, if you head over to the Microsoft Store, either through the website, as I'm doing here, or directly through the store on your console, you will notice that it is only playable on PC, Xbox Series X or S, and then Xbox Cloud Gaming. Xbox One is not mentioned, and sadly that is indeed the case. You cannot just run Slime Rancher 2 directly or natively from your Xbox One console. So if you really want to play on an Xbox One, the only option that you have is Xbox Cloud Gaming. Cloud Gaming is where you will be able to stream the game from one of Microsoft's own consoles, and by streaming the game over, you will essentially be able to play it on an Xbox One. However, Xbox Cloud Gaming requires an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and you need to have a good internet connection. If your internet connection is slow, it's unstable, the experience is not going to be good. Because you aren't running the game natively and you are instead streaming it over, it can be affected because of slow internet speeds. So in short, you can play Slime Rancher 2 on your Xbox One, but you can only do this by using Xbox Cloud Gaming. With this sequel, they made it available only for new-gen consoles, so Xbox Series X or S, or PC. So if you already have an Xbox Game Pass subscription active, you could consider cloud gaming. Alternatively, you will have to play it on one of these other two platforms. I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had. If this video answered them, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.